Hi guys, Sarah from Tentworld Fish Week here. Today I'll be talking about the Fireside Industries Pop-Up Firepit. It's very compact, lightweight, being made of aluminium, weighing only 3.3 kilos, and it's super easy to set up, taking only around 60 seconds. It also has a cool down time of approximately 90 seconds before you can pack it away. I'll just give you a quick demonstration on how to set it up. First, just remove it from the bag. Okay, so after taking it out of the bag, all you have to do is pull the legs apart. I find it easier to do the two sides and not diagonal, so it'll spread apart easier. Helpful tips when you're assembling the sides, like I said, do two sides first, then two sides afterwards, just so that when you lift it up, you can pull the mesh upwards. And also when you're putting the mesh down, it's easier to put two sides down first and then the other two sides and then push the mesh down. Okay, the dimensions when fully set up is 61 by 61 by 38 centimeters, and it has a weight capacity of approximately 56 kilos. The pop-up fire pit is brilliant for any situation, and it is a lot safer than open fires. The assemble time will